This is my tank dress, and it's a pretty simple sewing pattern. My camera wasn't working properly, so I didn't get to go through the steps, but I'm going to tell you about it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to use a serger stitch and sew both sides. You could also use a straight stitch. It's a two-way stretch fabric. You're also going to want to do a serger stitch right here at the shoulders. I just sewed all the way across with both sides. You could see the seam in there. So when you're done with that, you're just going to hem everything, and I use a cover stitch machine. You can also use a zigzag machine. A cover stitch machine is not required, so I just hemmed that under about a 1/2 inch all the way around the bottom of the dress. I hemmed around the neck and the back, and I hemmed around the armpit. That is your completed tank dress. It's pretty simple. If you wanted to add elastic to make it tighter up here, you could, but I don't really think it's necessary. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, stay sexy. Bye.